Hello friend, this is Sion. After a long time I am giving this video. Today our topic is chamfer angle calculation and how to find chamfer angle. That is very important here. So let's start the video. Actually this process will be done on the CNC machine, and suppose you have to do this kind of profile. Okay, and you have to give a drawing. There is a diameter of 20 mm diameter, 20 mm diameter, and there is some specification given, that is L into theta. What is L theta I will discuss, and how to find this diameter. So that is our basic motto, to find how this diameter and what is the specification of L theta. So let's start it. Suppose you have given a drawing whose diameter is 20 mm diameter, and there is a given L into theta, where L value of L is 1 and theta value is 30 degree. Okay, then you have to calculate the chamfer angle and height and breadth. Okay, so what does it signify? The 30 degree and L. What is L? L is a simple length from here to here, that is 1. So that is 1, and the value of theta is 30 degree. Then what will we do? We know the theta value is 30 degree. Okay, and length value is 1. Then how will you calculate this length? Simply you have to put the value of tan theta. We all know the trigonometry. There is a formula of tan theta is length divided by horizontal surface. Okay, then I have discussed that the length. What is the length? The length which will be calculated here. Okay, and the one. What is the one? One is this distance. Okay, horizontal distance. So what is the value of horizontal distance? That is 1. You will simply put the value of h, that is 1. Okay, and theta value is 30 degree. Then tan 30 degree into 1. Then what will you get? You simply calculate, and after calculation you will get tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3 into 1, and you will get the value 0.577. So if you draw it, this value is 1 and this value is 0.577. Okay, and the OD is 20 mm. Okay, then you have to calculate this OD value. Okay, then how will you calculate this? You simply minus 20 minus, as it is a symmetric about this axis, it is 0.577, that is also 0.577. Okay, then you will simply minus it, and twice of 0.577 from up to down and down to up. Then I will use a 2. Then what will you get from it? 20 minus, let's calculate it, 0.577 into 2 minus 20. What is the value of this? Sorry, 2 into 0.577, 1.154, and we have to minus it, 18.846. Okay, then the value is 18.846. You can find anything by this process. Suppose we can take another example of it. Suppose you have to find this OD, and here you have to given the values L theta, that is 3 into 45. Okay, then the die is 30, and you have to find this OD. Okay, you know the 3, there is a horizontal length, that is 3, and as it is a symmetric, that is also 3. Okay, you have to find this. Okay, then we know the formula, that is tan theta equals to length by horizontal length. Okay, you have to find this length. Okay, though that is L and H is 3. Okay, now theta value is 45 degree, tan 45 degree equals to L. We all know tan 45 degrees value is 1, L divided by 3, the value is L equals to 1. Okay, then we have sorry, the value will be L equals to 3. Okay, then what will you do, that is 3, that is also 3. Then what is the value of this, that will be 30 minus 2 into 3, 30 minus 6, that is 24. Okay, this is the process. You have to remember this thing. You can find anything. Suppose there is a drawing, similar drawing, for helping to understand this concept. The length is suppose this is given to you, the length is 3 and length is 2. Similarly, that is 3 and 2. You have to find the theta. Here you have to find the angle, chamfer angle. Then what will you do, you simply put the value of tan theta. You all know the formula. What is the value of length by horizontal distance? The length value is 3 and this value is 2. You simply put, and you will put it in calculator, tan inverse 3 by 2. Okay, simply you have to press shift tan inverse 3 divided by 2, that is tan inverse 3 divided by 2, that is 56 degree. Then you may write 2 into 56 degree. Okay, here the chamfer angle is 56 degree. So thank you friends, this is video.